So welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that intro today. Nice look at Endicott Arm and Dawes Glacier. I've only gotten it wrong about 5 times today, but anyways, it was a really great start to the day, as you saw. Another early start here in Alaska, which is pretty typical, we're finding, of all the tours. Yeah. So if you're thinking about sleeping in, which Colleen's a sleeper in this relationship.
I am.
But you won't get any sleep.
No, although I squeezed a nap in. That is one of the benefits, I think, of arriving to Juneau a little bit later.
Yeah, so we just got down here to the town center. So coming in on Celebrity, we're a little outside of town. We had to take a shuttle, but it was fine. They had a nice ramp. Yep. Colleen got on there. A nice man named JP hooked her up, made sure she wasn't going to move. And now we're here. So we're going to be doing a little exploring. So today's episode is going to be a little bit of a contrast, right? So this morning was very calm. Colleen, do you want to tell them what's coming next?
So this morning was very calm, peaceful, serene, just nature and beauty. But we're going to see nature and beauty from a whole other level of height today. Okay. So we are getting ready to board a helicopter. So this is our first time ever, but we are going to get on an accessible helicopter with coastal helicopter tours. Actually go land on a glacier. Yeah. How crazy is that?
It's really crazy, but we're gonna walk around town first, so keep it right there as we explore Juneau and explore landing on a glacier in the helicopter. Woo. All right, later. So one of the most popular things to do here in Juneau is to take the tram up to Mount Roberts. It's about 1,800 feet up from what our bus driver was saying. But fun fact, if you don't want to wait in line, there are little signs all around that you can scan and you can buy it right online. And if you're from the United States, just take your phone off of airplane mode, because you can probably use your cell phone here in Juneau and not pay any roaming or data fees. But of course, check with your carrier first. We are here at the famous Red Dog Saloon, and if you don't want to wait to go inside, you can come outside here. What's it called, Colleen?
We are at the Quack Shack Shot Bar, which is part of Red Dog Saloon. So if you just want to go get a duck fart, you can, and then just keep on tricking. So I think that's what we're going to do.
All right. Never thought I'd say I'd be getting a duck fart on our YouTube channel. All right, so what do you think of your duck fart?
I thought it was great. I think even if you're not a big alcohol fan, it's definitely a more like Kahlua-based, like coffee creamy feeling. It was really good. So we're still on the hunt for the elusive Christmas ornament here at the end of May, but there's a Christmas workshop right around the corner. You can see it right from this little facility building here. So I think we're gonna walk
The Quack Shack.
The Quack Shack. So I think we're gonna walk over and see if we can find the ornament. We found the ornament. This is made by Blue Moose Metals. It's 100% steel, handcrafted in the USA, and it has a bear. I'm hoping if I buy the ornament, I'll see a bear.
With Christmas ornament in hand, it's time to head back to town and pick up our shuttle for our helicopter ride. But first, a quick restroom stop.
We are across the street from a business called Alaskan Shirt Company, and inside they have accessible restrooms. They have companion care, accessible, and then 2 able-bodied stalls. They're very clean, very nice. No obligation to buy anything, but obviously you're here. It's locally owned. I think it's highly worth supporting a local business. But this shirt company is right across from the Mount Roberts tram.
All right, we just soaked up downtown Juneau's charm, and now I'm gearing up for our next thrill. Into the accessible van we go. Our driver's awesome, sharing cool facts about Juneau, like how it's only accessible by boat or plane. No roads in or out, and home to more bears than people in some areas. Did you know Juneau's got over 30 glaciers nearby? As we leave town, the views are stunning. Sparkling water on one side, towering mountains ahead. We're soaking it all in. Cruising to Juneau's International Airport, a hub nestled between mountains and water, handling over 1 million passengers a year. We drive through the security gate, park the van, and I'm getting out. Rolling into the helicopter waiting area. All smooth and accessible. Time for a quick safety briefing before our epic helicopter ride to the glacier. Let's do this.
All right.
Okay, I'm on.
Well, we're here
I'm on the
top
hunt.
of the glacier. And it's really cold.
What do we think?
Amazing.
Crazy, right?
Colleen, how was that ride for you?
That was crazy.
Yeah?
It was really, really cool. Yeah, the tilts, like the kind of banks in on like the kind of on the side of the cliffs and the mountains. I was like, okay, all right, we got this. Go walk around.
Yeah, so we're on the Herbert Glacier. Absolutely mind-blowing. So we have 700 feet of ice underneath us. So if you're worried about the helicopter going anywhere, it's not going anywhere. Colleen is well strapped in, but this is absolutely amazing. Words can't even describe what I'm seeing right now. Actually, let me turn this around. So now we're going gonna go look at a crevasse that's filling up with water over here. Let's take a look. Super blue. So looking at a crevasse, you probably cannot hear this on the audio, but you can hear the water running underneath the ice. Super cool. And then over here, I don't think I was recording, so I'm just going to point it out again, but pure blue water. It's not blue, the water's not blue, it's super clear. It has a blue effect on it. Very cool. We're gonna start heading back to the helicopter. I'm gonna check on Colleen, see how she's doing. But just an amazing experience. Oh.
Hi!
What do you think of this view?
It's amazing. How was it?
It was great.
Yeah?
It was great. How was the time here?
It's awesome. I can't find any mountain goats, but I think I'm just probably not seeing them, but it's so peaceful.
That's it, Colleen. Time's over on the glacier.
Oh, it's great. Did you have fun walking around out there? Yeah.
Everybody copy?
Yep. Folks, that's going to do it for us. We're back here in the port. Coastal Helicopters, would you recommend them, Colleen?
Thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Just the entire team, very professional. You can tell safety is a big thing, and that I really appreciate it. But just great bunch of, I say kids, and I use that loosely, but just you can tell they love the nature, they love where they live, and passionate about this area and giving us the experience of a lifetime.
Yeah, and they brought us right back here to the cruise ship. So hope you enjoyed our day, our kind of split day from tranquility to adrenaline pumping. It was very exciting, very fun. And if you're here in Juneau, a must recommend. So speaking of recommend, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, I don't know what you're waiting for, please do that now. Also, if you'd like to see more adventures like this and tips and tricks to make your next cruise adventure unforgettable, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, we remind you to navigate your world.